Today, we're starting out with two beautiful forms of mycelium. I've got blue oyster, lion's mane, and we'll be getting to reishi. We're gonna do it all inside of the Shipmaster 1000, the Shipmaster Mini, and our 3-layered manure-based all-in-one mushroom super bag. And we're gonna do it inside because this is everyone's environment. Here's the bags. We have the 3.5 pound Shipmaster 1000, the 3-layered manure-based super bag, and I've already got some beautiful lion's mane that almost went through break and shake, but I decided not to, and it's a completely optional step. Starting off today with the Shipmaster Mini, already loaded up with lion's mane. Normally, folks like doing the break and shake as the mycelium starts to spread, but this time I skipped it. Totally optional. Lion's mane tends to colonize just fine if your conditions are solid, as it does. You'll start to notice little tufts of white fluff forming. That is the primordia stage. Hericium erinaceus is waking up and it's getting ready to fruit. That is your cue to cut the top just above the 5 micron filter patch and let in some fresh air. That little breath of oxygen tells the mycelium it's time to shift from colonizing to fruiting. For blue oyster, I'm going to be using our 3-layered manure-based super bag. They're nutrient dense. They hold moisture like a champ and give species like Pleurotus ostreatus all the fuel they need to explode with growth. Reishi, or Ganoderm lucidum, is going into the Shipmaster 1000. Perfect for slower, more meditative growers that like a stable environment over time. And both are actually just going to take 4 to 5 cc's. Once we have that in, we pull it out, cover up the lid, and we can actually see the liquid forming in here. So the best bet is actually to go ahead and rotate, no matter which bag that you're using, for about 10 to 15 seconds on each side. This allows for the nutrient solution to be absorbed by the infused rye berries and really start its journey the right way. Every single one of these bags is available at fullsendorganics.com. And yeah, they all come with start to finish instructions and videos built right into the product pages. But at the end of the day, it's not about following a recipe. It's about learning to listen to the grow, tuning in to what these organisms need, and getting your hands dirty is the best way possible. That is how you grow mushrooms, and that is how you grow yourself.